Hello guys, welcome to this particular tutorial. In this video, I want to teach you how you can use Kinemaster to cut out unwanted parts from your project, from your video project. So you shot a video looking all professional, but there are little mistakes here and there in the video, and you do not want that part to appear when you render the final job. So you can use Kinemaster to actually cut out those parts from the video. Now, the beauty of Kinemaster is that it comes with only the split function. So I'm going to click on create new, and we're going to choose the format that we want the video to appear. So let me just say, for example, I want to use 3:4 aspect ratio because the video I shot is actually on portrait, and I'll click on next. So this is what we have. So what I'm going to do next here is very simple. I'm just going to go straight to my camera, look out for the particular video that I shot. Look out for the video that I shot. Let me see. Okay, this is the video. All right, so, and I'm going to check it now. This is the video that I shot on my smartphone. So this part, there's a part of the video that I don't like. So instead of me playing it, let me just move it down. Okay, this is it. I don't like this part. So now you can see I don't want this part to appear during the course of the project. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to click on this scissors sign here. You can see scissors here. Okay, now when I tap on it, you can see trim, you can see split. So I can trim it from the left of the playhead. Now when I click on the first one, it's going to automatically cut out that part. But it will cut it out, but it won't delete it. All right, that means I can still bring it back. Or better still, I can just click on split. Okay, when I click on split, it becomes two video on its own. So I can trash out this particular one using my delete button here. So let me play so you see.
Alright guys, my name is Edisa Agbaye. Hello there.
Okay, so that part you can see I took a brief pause because of the fact that I wasn't really prepared when I was shooting this particular video. So again, I use the scissors, then I'm going to click on trim to left of playhead. All right, so I've clicked on trim to left of playhead. Now, if I click this out, you can see if I bring it out, you see all the part that I've removed from the video. Also, ask one thing about trim. All right, so let me take it back to this part. So that's that about that. So that's how you cut, trim, split. And again, you can also split the video and insert a freeze frame in the project. Now, how do I mean? So for instance, I want to split this video into two. I tap on it and I click on the scissors sign, split, and add freeze frame. All right, so because you see, if I play this video, you realize that, you see, it automatically freezes some aspect of the video. All right, but I don't want that to appear in my video, so I'm just going to delete that out and also delete this one as well. So this is what we have. That's how you cut and trim your video using Kinemaster. So go try this out yourself, make the mistakes that you want to make. Trust me, there's a beauty in practice. Practice, they say, makes for perfection. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.